Okay, hi everyone, welcome to Study English with me, Gedewayan Suparno. In this series, I will tell you how to study English in my class. Yeah, the first one, you have to log in on Silari. Yeah, so in this ones, you will see some picture. Yeah, tutorial how to using Google Classroom. Yeah, this is program foundation starting at 16 July until the 1st August on 2020 or 2020. Yeah, and the regular one starting from 2nd August on 2020. So if you want to study the course, you can click. You can see this one, Bahasa Inggris. There are two English teacher in SMA Negeri Bali Mandara. This is me. My name is Gedewayan Suparno. Yeah, and this is my partner. Yeah, Trisiana Angelina. Yeah. So if you want to study in my course, you can click this one. Yeah. So we are going to KBM site or Unit Kegiatan Belajar Mandiri. Yeah. So there are two main course in this one, that is Bahasa Inggris and Lintas Minat Bahasa Inggris. Yeah. So for this one, you can click this one. Yeah. So in Bahasa Inggris, there are two main program. The first one was called Foundation. Yeah, and the second one is the regular one, starting from the first semester until the sixth semester. Yeah, you can see from this one. Yeah, so this we will study during 3 years in SMA Negeri Bali Mandara. Okay, for the first semester, so we have 5 UKBM or 5 topics that we will study. Yeah, but before that, you have to fulfill the registration. Yeah. So that is how to study in my course. Yeah. Okay, let me start with our lesson for today. Yeah. So our lesson for today, we are going to study about one new word. Yeah, so this called Mardi. Oh, I really Mardi today. Last night I had 2 thoughts. I can't sleep well. Oh, it's really terrible. So the word Mardi, it's mean bad feeling. Yeah, so if you feel in bad situation, bad mood, so that's called Mardi. So we study about word Mardi. Now it's time to see one student little bit Mardi related with their camping. So let's we check the video and let's we answer some question related with the video.
Mustn't argue. No, your challenge will take longer than a day with a night, in fact. You are going to go camping. Yay! Oh, camping.
Jen, are you coming to Miss?
for yourself, and then some stuff you bring for all of us.
Pickled beans, I hate this. Never mind, Senya. I love them. You are bringing them for me? There is a lot of stuff here. Do we really need it all this? I have got any money at the moment. Okay, then you can sell your quinta. No, seriously. You can borrow some money from me, but I want it back now.
It's really important to be prepared. We don't want anything to go wrong. Sonia! Have you got everything on your list yet?
Not yet. Give me a change.
How are you getting on your painting this, Sonia?
Okay. What about you?
Oh, I finished mine. All done. Yeah. Have you got everything on your list?
Please. What please?
Sylvia.
No, only joking. Don't worry. I'm going to get everything together tonight.
I'm going to take you all to the campsite and then leave you. You will be going to your own, okay?
Let's just check we have got everything before we go.
Not dangerous.
On and then bring any. Hey, what on your list?
And forget them, okay?
I said let's check everything, but no one wanted to.
Oh, be quiet, Jess.
Help me! This bed up. Can you guys light the fire?
No problem.
Hai teman-teman, mau kemana?
Hai, kita mau camping. Video camping.
Video bahasa Inggris, si Saryande.
Oh, bawa gitu.
Nggak bawa makanan itu videonya ya?
Kan ada sisi makan. Ayo. Sini camping. Mana nih? Terus mana yuk?
Based on the video that presented, so there are some questions that you have to answer, and I also already put in Google Form. Yeah, you can answer it more detailed after you watching this video in full version. So this is the end of our meeting for today. So relate with the phrasal word, sentence, grammar that we can able to analyze in this video. We will discuss it next meeting. So that's all for today. Yeah, thank you and have a nice day. Yeah, the more you study, the better you are. Bye bye.